Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch, Thursday, November 11, 2025. This is an updated space weather report. So the modeling is in for the arrival of the CME and the expected speeds of the solar winds. People, listen, just relax, okay? Relax. Let's go through the numbers. Please remember, plus or minus 7 hours. So let's go through everything slowly. So this is an updated modeling for the combination of several events arriving at approximately the same time. Sun, Earth, satellite. So the X5 is this one right here, faster than the previous two. We'll get to that in a minute. We'll go through the timing in a minute, folks. What should be noted calmly is the speed of the incoming event is going to be approximately 1,400 kilometers per second, which is twice as fast as a fast event would normally be. So this is just going to be a very brief, calm report. We'll go into finer details later this evening. For now, we'll go over the locations. So our plasma density is pretty high. So the speed at the peak of 1 arrival is going to be between 800 and 850 kilometers per second. The second one, which would be the shock wave from the X5 this morning, that's going to be the 1400 kilometers per second, if you can believe it or not. So again, through my teachings, we'll see if there's going to be a connection from the IMF, the solar winds, if it's going to be a southward component, and that will connect with our magnetic field. For those of us who are energy sensitive, we're going to be feeling this one. So the increase here, the speed, is going to be tomorrow, November 12th at 1700 UTC. So you have to figure out where you are on the planet. Here in the west coast of North America, we minus 8 hours. So it's going to be about 11 a.m. tomorrow. They are forecasting, oh dear, a G4 severe geomagnetic storm. This could be extended to G5, possibly. So right now we do not have a negative value on the BZ line. That could change. Now that's a pretty wide burst. One more time. So here's the X5. Oh yeah, okay, let's go through the day side. So their first impact zone, actually the first impact zone is going to be south of Hawaii, this region. Second impact is going to be, as I already pointed out, the Timor Sea region, Australia, Indonesia. The accelerated solar winds is going to be, Bolivia, Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Argentina, this region here. So this region is common for regular deep earthquake activity. This area of Argentina, Bolivia-Peru border. And once again, we're just going to wait patiently, calmly, and we'll watch for a spike in the irritability of our geomagnetic field. And check a couple of other things before I leave. So again, let's go through the timing on this one. The 10th at 9:30, this morning at 10:10, so let's just say 24 hours. So maybe, possibly, when that region is right here, it's possible we could have a larger blast. Possible, folks. We'll check back in a few hours to see if this is updated. It is quite notable, the speed, 1,400 approximately kilometers per second. And then later on this evening, I'll come back and do another video to refresh our memory, what our brains are going to be feeling here. And I will try and find the time this evening to talk about specifically radiation storms, because that is different from solar wind and CMEs. That requires a different talk. Okay, folks, later.